over the last 18 years? Yes? No? Really, James Amethyst? Well, she has always been a girl with a tender heart, beauty, and unbridled intelligence. She has filled their lives with a happiness that cannot be measured by any scale man has. She has shown us more love than we knew possible and have made us the happiest parents that there is. And for that, I would like to say thank you. Now that Julie has joined the ranks of us adults, I suppose that this is my duty to leave her with some wisdom. Always remember this. Make sure the pleasures of youth don't bring you pain in your old age. But be assured, Julie, and Ate Jay, that Mama will always be here. And my